Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Adiola, a QuickNode ambassador. In today's video, we are going to dive into an exciting project where we'll be using QuickNode QuickAlert to set up a decentralized application with a robust backend server. Walk through how to expose an endpoint on our backend that will act as a webhook for QuickNode QuickAlert, enabling real-time event streaming. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional DApp that seamlessly integrates with QuickNode for efficient and dynamic event handling. Tutorial is intermediate level. That is, it is a full stack intermediate level. We will be developing a backend with web sockets and a front end that listens to events emitted from our backend. Backend development using Node.js, Express, and TypeScript stack. Front-end development using Next.js, TypeScript, and styled component stack. In case you need to get up to speed with any of these technologies used here, their documentation is provided in the description below. Quick alerts from documentation enables you to leverage real-time blockchain data and advanced alerting to power your apps. In simpler terms though, it provides a notification system that allows users to get real-time blockchain data. QuickNode QuickAlert documentation shows a notification limit plan, so you can select depending on your DApp's needs. Scrolling to QuickAlert's expressions, we can see how we can listen to any activity that happens to a smart contract or wallet address on chain. So now, QuickNode has two methods of setting up QuickAlert. First is using QuickNode Portal, and the second is using a REST API. We would be using the latter. Using Postman, we create a raw JSON data that would get sent to QuickNode destination creation URL. The raw JSON data, we provide an object with fields such as name, to URL, which is our own webhook that we want to receive the notification alert, webhook type, service, and payload type, which is set to 4. Payload type, the documentation specifies the kind of data that gets sent to our webhook based on the payload type stated when creating the destination. For our app needs, we want the matched transactions, which provides us with succinct data about a transaction block hash, block number, from, gas, to, the recipient's address, value, and so much more. Good stuff. Sending the request on Postman, we create a destination. Response provides us with an ID, which we can use when creating a notification with an expression for the smart contract address we want to get notified on by QuickAlert. After creating destination, we send a post request with raw data to QuickNode notification URL to create a notification with an base64 encoded data of the expression. Using JavaScript, we can pass the expression to BTOA function as a string, and it gives us the expression which we pass to the expression field in our raw body data. In the destination IDs field, we include an array with the ID of the newly created destination. This specifies to QuickNode which webhook endpoint to send the new expression to. Our backend server serves a socket which emits a transaction success event containing the matched transactions payload that QuickNode sends to a post request to our server. Using Postman, we can mimic a client's application, connect to our server sockets, and listen to the transaction success event which gets emitted. We can see a ton of matched transaction data all being served by QuickNode to our server, and finally to any client application connected to the socket and listening to the events. DApp is a simple UI that renders the emitted transaction from our backend in an easy to navigate manner, and toggle any address to listen for its own transaction. In case you want to explore other APIs for your DApp needs, check out QuickNode's documentation. QuickNode boasts a vibrant and active community where developers and blockchain enthusiasts come together to share knowledge, insights, and best practices. Whether you are a seasoned developer seeking advanced troubleshooting or a newcomer exploring the world of Web3, the QuickNode community is your go-to resource. Links to the QuickNode documentation, community, and other social channels are available in the video's description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.